Our facility, located in Sasalı, which is the Turkey's largest wildlife park, has been carefully prepared to entertain our guests with its green nature and surroundings. In İzmi, Pearl of the Aegean, imagine a place where the blue sky meets a green land. A combination of artificial ornamental pools, playgrounds, and entertainment. "10 acres of land for horse riding and all kinds of activities. Has tourism license suitable for 24 hours operation. A huge playground and professional kitchen ready for weddings. You can have a pleasant time with your children with our delicious meals, organize live music and concert organizations. Open area for 2,000 people. Closed area for 600 and stages. Automatic opening glass system. Automatic opening awning system. Parking for 200 cars. Located 5 kilometers from the city center, our facility is ready for all special occasions and organizations.